Hey everyone, it's Dave. I know I've been away for a while. Yes, yes, I know. But if you know me, you know I'm always building something. You know I'm always working on something. You know I'm coding. I'm messing around with servers and whatnot. And it's been crazy. It's been busy, and I've not had time to upload any videos. And I apologize for that. Um, but I'm working on something. I'm working on something pretty huge, and I can't wait to unveil it on this channel. I can't wait to tell you all about it when I launch, and I might be giving some people certain perks. I'm not trying to be mysterious, it's just it's a game changer, right? And when it launches, everybody's going to hear about it. So stay tuned for more updates, and I'm going to try to um upload weekly or bi-weekly, right? So you guys have something to watch and something to learn. Okay. Thank you for always sticking by me. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. There's a lot you're gonna learn, trust me. All right, so thank you again for always being by me. I don't have a lot of subscribers now, but let's try to grow this channel. Let's try to share this channel so people, discover this channel, people can learn. And then the more people join this channel, the more I'm motivated to teach, the more I'm motivated to, the more secrets I'm motivated to give out. Right. So help me help you, basically. All right. All right. Peace. See you.